Guys, Autumn here today to do a little bit of an unboxing and to pick my giveaway winner for my 100 subscribers. I just decided to combine these two in one video. So let's do the giveaway first. So what I did was wrote down the giveaway winners, the giveaway people that entered, wrote it down on a little post-it and put the bundle number and their name. So yes, now I'm just going to pick one randomly and pick this one. So I picked two. Let's see. Let's try it again, sorry. Okay, I have one. Just one. And it's for bundle number 2, and it's Lena. That is the winner. So Lena, if you want to email me or message me on YouTube, or you could email me. I'll leave my email down below, and just send me your email, your address, and everything, and I will get this shipped to you as soon as possible. It most likely won't be for another week. Like, when I say another week, I mean not next week, the week after. I'll maybe try to get it out tomorrow if I get your address and stuff, but yeah, I'm actually going to be on vacation next week, so yes. So, but congratulations! And thanks for everyone who entered. It really does mean a lot to me. And for the bundles that were not used, they will be in future giveaways. And bundle number 2 was the Kelly Elliott bundle. So this one. So yeah. Let's get on to my unboxing. This was a few books that I bought last month and just received. And as you can see, it's a Kennedy Fox. So, I'm sorry if you hear my dogs. They're outside. So, here we go. And when I open it first, it's bubble wrapped. And it has a little sticker of a fox, and you do this, unbox it, and then you get a sticker, a Kennedy Fox sticker. You get a Checkmate Duet Series post-it signed. This is Dangerous sticker, and a Checkmate, this is Dangerous bookmark. And then you get, the one I got is Checkmate, this is Dangerous. This is book 1 in the Second Chance Romance by Kennedy Fox. And it says, for Autumn, don't forget the one you love, Kennedy Fox. So that's book 1, and then I got book 2, and it also comes with a sticker, and this is beautiful sticker, and it comes with a duet. I survived the Checkmate Duet series, and so it has, this is war, this is love, this is reckless, this is effortless, this is dangerous, this is beautiful, and then I got This Is Beautiful, which is book 2, and this series follows Kayla and Logan, if I remember correctly. Yes, Logan. And this one says, for Autumn, all's fair in love and war. And it's signed. So, those are the 2 books I got. And again, the giveaway winner. So, yes. These beautiful copies will now join my other copies of the series that I have signed. So, yes. is my video for today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!